sir. This is our report about the importance and notice to mariner is used for nautical chart and publication.
Is the importance of notice to mariners and its use in creating nautical charts and publications. Notice to mariners or NTM are essential for keeping nautical charts and publications accurate and up to date. They provide mariners with critical information about changes to navigation hazards, new or altered obstacles, wrecks, or other dangers to navigation. Aids to navigation, changes to lighthouses, buoys, beacons, or other navigational aids. Chart correction, updates to chart data include depth, positioning, and other information. Publications, corrections to sailing directions, tide tables, and other nautical publications. Muna ang mga NTMS nga magamit og nautical charts and publications. One is insurance. NTMS are issued by National Hydrographic Officers or other authorized bodies, open on a weekly or bi-weekly basis. 2. Dissemination. They are distributed through various channels including electronic notices. This is published online and sent by email. Printed notices. This is distributed to maritime agencies or ship owners and mariners. Number 3. Application. Mariners must carefully review NTMS to identify any information relevant to their voyage. 4. Chart correction. NTMS provide instructions for correcting nautical charts, including the information, adding new features or data corrections, modifying existing information, deletions, removing outdated or incorrect information. Number 5. Publication updates. NTMS also include corrections for nautical publications such as sailing directions. It is updates to navigational information and harbor description. Tide table. It is changes to tidal information. Light list. Correction to lighthouse information. Importance of NTMS. First is safety at sea. Mariners have access to the most up-to-date navigational information which is vital for safe navigation and preventing accidents. Ang safety at sea ay maka-sure nga para sa mga marino bitaw para safety sila sa dagat o maka-avoid po ng mga disgrasya. 2. Efficiency. By providing timely updates, NTMS helps mariners avoid.
The weekly notice to marine are made up of several sections including Section 1, explanatory notes and indexes to Section 2. Section 2, the correction to chart including updates the admiral list of flights and fog signals, radio signals, and sailing direction.
Section 3, Reports of radio navigational warning. Section 4, corrections of admiralty sailing direction.
Section 5. Correction to admiralty list of lights and fog signals. Section 6. Correction to admiralty list of radio signals. And that's all for our topic about the importance of notice to mariner using nautical chart.